My people, today I want to share something real good, something thoughtful. When you look at designs in Canva, the ones they make for you that are available for customization, I've they really look so nice. I believe everyone knows that. So when you're customizing it, you realize that you have to select colors for yourself. There's that thing, you have to pick your own text. So that is really a challenge. You find someone has customized the template that was really looking so good, and you find it average after your final work. So in this, I suggest that we start using color palettes. Color palettes are real cool. They give you color combinations. They will give you color combinations that will help you do your work so smoothly. You can come here and search for color palettes, like I was already searching for it. These color palettes will help you select good color combinations. Let's choose the one we can use. Let's use this one. I think it looks nice. When you see these color palettes, these colors match. Um, Probably, I think even these people used it. They use it. When you look at their design, if the design to look so good, there must be a good color choice that someone made. It's very hard for someone to just choose any random colors and the design comes out looking so nice. So if you are to do that, you have to be mindful. It has to be back of the mind. So let's try do some customization using the color palettes here. So for our background, I think we are going to use the dark color. Copy this one. As you can see here, they are showing you already what the colors they used. So let's try changing it. As you can see, yep. And for the text, let's pick the light color. The lighter color, shall I pick this one? Paste it, press enter. You choose also this one here. I think Canva has already has it. It's here. For this big text, so it has this one here. You can increase the size, select it. It's grouped, you ungroup it, select this shape. This shape, let me see, let's use this second color here. Copy it, come here, select it, then you change its color to look that way, and this color here too, we change it. Yep. So we come to this text here. As you can see, it has some text effect onto it. So let me select this one here. We see how it's gonna be. Let's change its color. So let's go to this effect, the effect they used. As you can see, the effect they used is some color embedded to it. Yeah, it's right here, the stroke that they used. Let's change it to this dark color in our background. Which one will come out so good? No, that one won't. I think this one. Yeah. and we increase the thickness. Yeah, I think this one looks so nice. Let's reduce it. Now you can see how this has turned out to be. Let's reduce it. And you should also be mindful of the shape they used, of the image, I mean the image they used. So let's pick another image. We see how it turn. I already uploaded some images here. Let's use this one. You see, so yeah, to keep the quality of the template, I think someone should use color palettes so that you can be able to make quality work. I hope this is helpful. When you compare this to the original one, I think this one is somehow better. It looks good. I hope this is useful.